gonna help mommy cooking because I'm so energy for now, but I knew to choose something to do, and I like to help my mommy because it's so good to cook with mommy because it's so funny to cook. It's so hot and I'm so noisy. It's so noisy. Come on, guys. Let's go cook my favorite dinner with mommy. Let's go. Follow me. Slipper. 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 Hi, guys. Today I think it's too hot and there, and I'm just gonna move right here. Okay, so let's start, mommy. Let's start. Mommy here. How can I?
Go.
Hi, guys. Today I'm not allowed to touch this, and I'm only gonna put it right. And also, I'm gonna watch what is mommy doing, and mommy is preparing all the things. Is this with this? All of that is good. Okay, guys, see you right there. Okay, guys, mommy are preparing all the stuff, and also he put a pan and a oil. Wait, update, guys. Mommy now putting a ahos. Next is the sardines. Kinapa. Sardines, guys, is a kinapa. Put it, mommy. Is so hungry. Okay, guys, now mommy put
Sardines.
sardines. And it's so hot. We cannot touch it with our hands. It's so hot. I don't want to do that. My star is not erasing. I'm gonna not wash hands. Okay. Water. Okay, guys. So, mommy already put a water so the sardine will not be overcooked. Okay. So, let's stop it now. Hi, guys. Today we're gonna wait until the water is boiling, and if it's done, we're gonna put the udon. Yummy for the comment. I'm gonna be super hungry. Okay, guys, the udon is done putting there, and we're gonna wait is done, and also the fire is look like a mountain. Oh, it's already bubbling. I'm excited to taste it. It looks very yummy. Okay, guys, it's almost done because mommy already put seasonings. It's what is English of that? Salt and magic syrup. Okay, let's wait. I'm gonna pick up my slippers. Hi, guys, today I tasted now, and mommy is a good cooker. Mommy, you are super good. Welcome for cooking show, mommy. So you are gonna cook for that because it's super yum. Can I taste it again? Wow! Wait, guys, I'm gonna go. Okay, guys, it's done cooking and I'm ready to eat. Hi, guys. Hi, Papa. Hi, Daddy. rice. Rice is my yummy, yum. And it's yummy too. Okay, guys, I'm eating and bye, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget. Bye, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.